Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Scarlet Spiderman. So first let's get started with the eyes. So in the center, stepping over towards the right, we're going to draw a small straight line. Let's leave a small gap in the middle now, and we'll replicate that on the left, drawing that at the same size. On the bottom of this now, we're going to start in the corner, and we're going to curve this around and then down. And now flipping over towards the left, we'll replicate that, ending that at the same height. Now in the corner on a diagonal, we're going to draw a small diagonal line that comes in towards the middle on both sides. Starting back on the top now, on this top line here, we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes out on either side. And again, we're going to end that at roughly the same height. Now from here, starting in the corner, we're going to curve this line up on both sides, again ending that at the same height. Let's connect this together now. So starting from the top, we're going to arch this all the way around, and then we're going to curve that in towards our bottom line. And now flipping over towards the left-hand side, we'll replicate that. Let's draw in the face now. So starting over on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line around, bringing that in towards the middle on the top. Starting back on the top now, on our center line, we're going to continue to curve this all the way around and then down, ending that at roughly the same height. Now we're going to draw on the bottom of the face, and we're going to curve this further in. So starting on the left-hand side, we're going to continue to arch this around, bringing that in towards the middle. And now moving over towards the right-hand side, we're going to start back on that line, blending that in on the bottom. Let's draw on the hood now. So in the center, we're going to draw in a small arch line. On either side, we're going to curve this line around and then in, and then we'll do the same thing over on the right. On either side, we're going to draw a curved diagonal line that arches down towards the bottom. On the right-hand side, we're going to draw a straight line that comes in. Over on the left, we're going to draw a small diagonal line that comes up. On the left-hand side again, we're going to bring this diagonal line down, and we'll do the same on the right. From here on either side, we're going to bring a diagonal line that comes in towards the middle, connecting that at the point. And then in the center, we're going to draw another diagonal line, bringing that down and then up, connecting that. In the center on a diagonal now, we're going to draw in the Spider-Man symbol. So starting on the top right, we're going to start by drawing a small oval. Moving underneath now, we're going to draw an even bigger oval for the body. For the arms on either side, we're going to bring this line out and then up, and we'll do the same thing on the left. And then stepping further across, we'll replicate that. Now we're going to do the same thing, just flipping it on the bottom. So coming over towards the corner again, we're going to bring that out and then down. And we'll do the same thing on the left. And then one more time, we're going to bring this out and then down. And again on the left-hand side. Let's draw on our arms now. So stepping further up, we're going to draw a curved line that arches out on both sides. Dropping below this, we'll replicate that, curving that further out. On the top now, we're going to draw a curved line from top to bottom. And then stepping further across again, we will replicate that. Coming across now, we're going to draw a straight line, leaving an even amount of space in between each one as we come down. And then we'll do the same thing over on the left. Now let's draw in our hands. So for our thumb, stepping further out, we're going to curve this line up and then down. And then we'll do the same thing over on the left. In the middle, we're going to draw in a small oval, curving this around and then up. And then we'll do the same thing over on the left-hand side. On the top, we're going to curve this line out and then in. And then dropping below this again, we'll replicate that one more time, curving that up. Let's draw in the legs now. So over, moving further down on the right hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And then flipping over towards the left, lining this up at the same height, we'll replicate that. Let's move further down now and draw in a curved diagonal line on both sides, ending that again at the same height. From here for the foot, we're going to curve this line down and then up in the corner. And then we'll do the same thing over on the left hand side, curving that around and then up. Now from here, we're going to close off the bottom with a curved line from left to right. And then moving further up to close off the torso, we're going to draw a curved line up on both sides to close off the torso. Let's draw the belt in the center. So on the top, we're going to draw an arch line from left to right. And then moving further down, we're going to draw another curved line from left to right. In the center, we're going to draw in a small circle. On the left and right hand side now, we're going to draw a straight line from top to bottom. Let's move further across and replicate that. And now one more time. Moving down towards our ankles now, on the top we're going to curve this line out. We'll do the same on the left. We'll move further down in the middle, leaving an even amount of space and replicating that. And then one more time, moving further down, curving this across. And that is it. That's how you draw Scarlet Spider-Man. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.